As you say, at lunchtime, everything ready. So it's ready to go.
Oh,
that I show you, so it up the next.
oh gosh, look at that, guys. And it's real rangoon. Yeah, man. Okay.
Chicken up on the fire right now. And ready right now.
Ready.
Ready.
Right now.
Say ready to. Look at that, guys.
You can't use phone now, you have to start row the boat, you know. You get me, mean?
Yes, you have to start row the boat. Look at that, guys.
Phone then.
Oh, yes, yes, chef.
Still pork, you know?
Yeah.
Right now. I'm trying to find out.
Look at that.
Awesome. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hallelujah. Oh gosh, look at that, guys. Some Wagwan, guys. Right now, you know, say in the morning, and we're here to check out a restaurant we talk about Flava Pot, guys. Yes, Flava Pot. So right now, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna show you what they have on their menu, what they're cooking. All right? Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So right now, we're in the kitchen. We're here with Max. Max, Wagwan.
Yeah, man. We're there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, Flava Pot, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So what can I expect in the kitchen today?
I know we are going to cook a whole heap of something. You know. I don't know today Friday which we call Flava Fridays at Flava Pot. You don't know we have barrage of stuff. You know, we have stew peas, we have child and bean, we have jerk pork, stew pork,
Yes.
jerk chicken,
Yeah.
like everything. Isn't it? I say
Okay.
Oxtail, we have salmon, sweet chili salmon. Isn't it? I say we have pasta. A whole heap of thing, fried rice, sweet and sour chicken. A whole heap of one bag of something, man.
Alright.
Escovitch fish, brown stew fish. You see me, it's a one-stop shop. We have lasagna, we have macaroni pie. You see me?
Guys,
Yeah, man.
you hear that? So you know, have to stay tuned and make sure you know, watch out the video because you know, I'm gonna see all of them epic cooking that we're talking about. We're gonna bring you back to Jamaica, some real authentic Jamaican food. Alright?
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
What is that, chef? What you gonna make right now?
So the peanut porridge, you know.
Peanut porridge.
Yes, I.
Okay.
Everything straight from out of yard.
Yeah.
Peanut, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon stick, everything from out of yard that's going in a pot. Nutmeg, everything at Jamaican.
So that's a sweeten up the porridge now.
Yeah, yeah. Whole heap of things we put on the board today, so start early
Yeah.
on a Friday. Flava Friday, you know?
Flava Friday.
Yeah, yeah. Flava Friday.
Yeah,
We'll
man.
start well early.
Yes.
Come out right now.
Say ready to.
Put the season up. The nutmeg and thing in it.
Yeah.
Put in some essence and some vanilla. Nutmeg and everything. Cinnamon leaf. Everything. Very Jamaican style, you know?
Yeah.
So we also have the fried dumpling them. Go and take time. Come in.
Yeah.
Right now, I finish up that curry chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Curry
Okay.
chicken, I have on the fire right now. Go
Man,
and take time, I go down.
look at that, guys. Look at that.
Brown stew chicken ready right now.
Ready.
Ready.
Man.
Finish them up now.
Yes.
Put them outside, you get me?
Okay.
That is it.
That is it. Guys, look at that. Yes, guys, a big pot of brown stew chicken. Look at that. Yeah, man.
Don't know why curry goat this take time, I go down to, you know?
Oh, gosh.
Lunchtime, here we come.
See it there.
Early.
Man.
Yes, that is it, man. Curry goat are going slowly but surely.
And the aroma where come from after it's a curry
Oh
goat
God,
here.
man, I want Flava Pot to do it, man. One Flava Pot, you know?
Yes.
Yes, Oxtail, this, you know?
Oxtail.
Oh God, man.
Because
Don't know
so
what
wait,
happened,
you can come in the morning and get a lunch so.
No, not really, you know. Because I'm not ready until about 11 o'clock, you know. You get
Oh,
what I mean?
oh.
Yeah, but if you're ready before 11 o'clock, I get it.
Yes.
That is it.
Guys, we talk about 6:30 in the morning and oxtail the on fire, curry goat the on fire, curry chicken the on fire, stew chicken the on fire. Guys.
Dumpling, I'm ready right now. Alright, see that?
Guys.
Can't do the settings, you don't know the thing go. I try to show you, so you dumpling them stay.
Oh.
Rice and peas pot the on fire now, you know?
Rice and look there guys.
But well seasoned up.
Man.
Yes, sir.
So how are you having the pot, you know, what kind of ingredients? What kind
Right
of
now we have scallion and thyme, pepper, coconut cream. You don't know the peas and the rare. You get one secret, but you don't know the thing go. But well seasoned on, you know?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right now we are going on some saltfish
Yes.
fritters.
Saltfish.
Fritters. You know?
Alright, sir.
So we are get everything prepped up right now.
Yeah.
Onion. Get them out. Nice and prep up.
Yeah.
You don't know. Now them fritters we put a little bit of vegetable in it, you know?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and bring up the flavor in it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Them thing I wash off
Yes.
to get them cut up, you know?
Yeah, man. I have to make sure say well washed and clean, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
Don't know, sir. This is a master and a scallion.
Everything after the on time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the time them wash out too. And then the cutting begins, you know?
Yeah. Man, this time well fresh, you know, you can smell it.
Yes, right.
Huh?
Everything pick up fresh every week, man. Day by day.
Realize
We don't
that.
believe in this stale thing, you know?
Yes.
Caribbean food is not a food we're supposed to look out and warm it up and rare.
Yes.
Food if you eat fresh every time.
So true.
Yeah.
So true.
So that's our philosophy, you know?
Yeah.
Early rising and
Yeah.
get everything prepared,
Yeah, man.
fresh.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. You see all the different colors, you see all the different flavor. Boy, trust me. And even flavor pot for no reason at all.
Yeah,
bro.
we have to use up the natural thing, them, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, natural
Yes.
spice them and flavor them, you know?
Yes. So far, what you have in there, so now, chef?
Thyme, onion, green onion, and the 4 flavor, color, and bell pepper.
Alright.
So now we now left out the hot pepper, because you know, as a yard man, you have to have a little spice in our yard. Yeah.
You have to have a little bit of spice.
You know, I feel like right.
Yeah, you make the pot well nice. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, we don't want to overcrowd the fritters when time we are do the thing, you know?
Yeah.
So we just prep a little bit first, and if we mix our butter and say we need a little bit more, we just add a little bit more seasoning to it, you know? Alright, so just add in some water now.
Yeah.
So now we are going to put in a flavor in it,
Okay.
you know? I take time put in some flavor in it, you know?
Alright, sir.
Come on, so we get the season mix out from early
Yes.
to the liquid.
Okay.
So you know where you work with when you put in the flour.
Yes.
You know? So right now, the time I taste the liquid right now, you're gonna know the salt level and everything. So you can't get it too salt, you can't get it too fresh, you know?
Okay.
Good,
Good to go.
good. Now move to the flour now.
Okay.
Yeah. So, flour
So with the
station.
flour, you don't really use no measurement either. You just
No man, we just put in and mix. Put in and mix. And we say, alright. Start with a little mix.
yeah.
And we see how the body will form up.
Yes. Yes.
And then we are going to determine if we need a little bit more in it, you know?
Right.
So, going through this now, through running. So we just heat the next little bit, you know?
Okay.
And top it off. Top it off, you know?
Yeah.
So, butter ready. We'll put in the saltfish.
Okay.
Proper saltfish from early. Then now we're going to put in the saltfish.
One thing, you know, guys. If you try the saltfish fritters, you're not gonna be short of saltfish at all.
You
Because
see what I go on?
yeah, man. Look how much saltfish you put in there, man. And all the flavor, all the season, and all of the spice I'm put in there. As what I'm saying, you guys not really name Flava Pot. It's got us, man.
Yeah. Everything with the man with love and flavor in it, man.
That's good, man. That's it, man. Yeah, man.
So this is oil we are prepared for the fritters, you know?
Okay.
As you can see, everything will show out fresh and deal with the fresh, you know?
Realize that, man. Oil fresh, everything.
Well, I will show you how we drop them, you know?
Yeah, man.
Starfish in every scoop.
Every scoop, saltfish.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying, you know. If you try this saltfish fritters, you're not gonna short a saltfish at all because
starfish in every scoop.
yeah, man.
Alright, I think our oil is supposed to hot enough now. Do one more test. Come on, dog.
Ready.
Alright, ready? Use our drop. Use our next drop. Use our drop. Use our drop. So we'll make that go on secondly.
Yeah. You have to make sure the oil well hot first.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If you don't put it in well hot, it might just stick.
Okay.
Yeah. So see how this can ease up and
Yeah.
can turn. Yeah. The oil too cold, so now I can't turn them so quick, you know?
Okay.
When the oil at it and the pot at it, then get a easier time to take up and
Yes.
flip.
Yes.
And
yes.
then we just kind of like start them right or so, and then we transfer them over into the fryer.
Oh, so you after you finish it in the frying pan here, so you go put it
Yeah,
over
man.
in the fryer.
So, quick is the word.
Quick.
You know? Yeah, quick is the word. So, we're not dash way accuracy for speed, you know? So,
Yeah.
our speed and accuracy we are using right now. So, we just start them, you know, so. And then we just drain them off a little. And then we just transfer them. So, when you look, within minutes, man, somebody come and, for instance, people are catering and them order like all 50 fritters. Less than half an hour, man, I'm ready for them.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna drop again. And just the procedure just go until the butter finish, you know?
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look how it just started to get brown and you know, something well fried. Inside, well cooked, chef.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Now
man.
take them out till we know say inside well cooked, you know?
Well cooked.
Yeah, man.
And look at that, guys. Look at that. Huh? Tell me if you don't want one of that right now. You have to come down
Flava
a
pot.
Flava Pot to get them good fried fritters here. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Why, all the fritters are full of flavor.
You know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Curry goat.
Color pretty man.
Man.
Oh gosh. Yes, I rice and pot are bubbly now. Please not go and cook out, you know? Yeah. So, we'll show you some more later though.
Alright. So you saw this are the white rice?
Yes, sir. White rice for fire go on. It's time for out, you know?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Look at that, guys.
White rice to eat, you know?
Yeah, man. You have to have the white rice, you know?
Definitely.
Yeah, man. But once you have your curry goat and your curry chicken, you know, so you need the white rice, right? Yes, guys. Yes, guys, as you can see, we're in the kitchen. I show you how the chef them just cooking up all of the amazing food. We have talked about some ackee and saltfish, curry chicken, stew chicken, curry goat, and oxtail, rice and peas. And right now, the chef are going to put on the rice. Oh, gosh. Look there, guys. Huh? Yeah, man. This is what I talk about, guys. So when you bring you in the kitchen and show you what the chef them cooking, this is what we're talking about. Look at that.
Right now, this is about 50 pound of rice right now.
50 pound of rice.
Yes, sir.
Man.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Can't use spoon now, you have to start row the boat, you know. You get me, mean?
Yes, you have to
Yes,
start
sir.
row the boat. Guys.
Stirring everything, you know.
Yes.
Row the boat.
Guys, you get everything cooked from scratch.
Early. By
Early.
11 o'clock, lunchtime.
What you said?
11 o'clock, lunchtime. Everything ready.
Everything ready.
Everything ready. 11 o'clock. Shelly.
There's some white rice.
Yeah, man. Shelly, man. You don't know that girl, eh?
Yeah.
This time. And steam out, you know, and then lock you off, you know?
Okay.
This time, you go and steam down.
Yes, guys. Some good white rice, you know? Get busy. What time you usually get busy?
But the customer order right now start with 2 hours was here. Customer order already. Because them a chuck and them a say them want to get them things to move, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So anytime after 8, people them start coming, you know?
Alright. Wait, where is the chef?
Oxtail, you know?
Ready?
Ready. Finish up, you know, and ting.
Guys, as you can see right here, so that's their curry goat. You know, cooked from morning, well cooked, not a big Dutch pot. And as you can see right here, so that's their oxtail. Yeah, man.
You don't know, we're going to season up your oxtail now. Some pepper,
Yeah.
scotch bonnet, hot.
Yes.
Yes, I.
So you say, don't wash up your vegetables and ready.
Vegetable ready, prep up and everything already, man. You know, we have vegetable prep in a pan,
Yes.
everything, you know.
Yes.
A vegetable prep in a pan and everything. So you don't know. Yes,
yeah.
I.
Yeah, man.
Some onion, you know. Yes, I. Some sweet pepper, green, you know. Sweet pepper is a must.
It's a must.
It's a must.
Cause the sweet pepper give it a
Nice
good
flavor plus aroma. You get me mean?
Yes.
Yeah man, without sweet pepper, you can't get that finishing taste without your sweet pepper, you know?
Yes.
Yeah man. As we say, time is the master.
Yes.
Yes I. Good old pimento.
Yeah.
Yes I.
Nice. And pimento give the pot a good flavor to it, man.
Yes I. Now what is this? Bay leaf.
Bay leaf.
Bay leaf, you know? Yeah man. As we say, flavor pot, yeah. Flavor without the flavoring.
Right.
But after you have the flavoring of the pot, you get me mean?
Yes.
And we name what? Flavor pot. Yes I. I don't know where I put any season on it, you know.
Yeah.
On the oxtail. Pot fully seasoned up.
Yes.
Yes I. Story mean. Take time go down the road, you know. Yes I. How you say? At lunchtime, everything ready. 11 o'clock, flavor pot, lunchtime. That is it. Go season up with flour and everything. Fried chicken settings, you get what I mean? Yeah man.
See that, guys? I'm season up in flour, guys. I'm gonna do some fried chicken right now.
Yeah man. Season up the flour. Story in the season and flour, you know?
Yes.
Yeah man.
Yes.
Chicken and flour.
Chicken already seasoned up and
everything
marinate.
seasoned up, man, marinate. You know? So I just say flour
Yeah.
him up and season him up.
Yes, yes.
You don't know where storing the flour up on the chicken, make sure say fully covered with flour, you know?
Yes.
Yeah man.
Look at that, guys. I get some good fried chicken.
Yeah man.
Just
Fried chicken with flavor, you know?
yeah, man. And if you have a restaurant, you have to have your fried chicken.
That is a must. Have to have the fried chicken, bro. Have to have the fried chicken. Knock off some of the flour back, you know? You don't want too much flour upon the chicken and you come up floury.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Knock off back some of the flour,
Yes.
drop them in the oil.
Okay.
Steam cabbage, you know?
You're gonna make some
Put
steamed
on
cabbage.
Some steam cabbage right now.
Okay.
That is it.
Yeah. What I go on now, chef?
No, we don't use no oil, you know. Butter we use the full steam cabbage. You know? We don't know about nobody else.
Yeah.
That butter we use. You get me? Yes, sir.
They are prepare for the stew peas.
Steam cabbage, you know?
Some steamed cabbage.
We done have some fresh season already.
Yes.
So just have to add on it, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
And what kind of seasoning you have there, so now?
Right now we start some sweet pepper, you know?
Yes.
All color sweet pepper. You don't know the thing, huh?
Okay.
Get a nice pretty color.
Yes.
Nice taste, you know?
Yeah.
Some carrot, you know? Some diced carrot.
Okay.
Already prepped.
Yes. Yes.
I don't know, it's a fast pace, so we have to have things prep up and ready to go.
That's
Yeah,
true.
man.
Yeah, man, because when you're there on the go, you know, you can't just, you have to have everything prep and ready.
That is it.
Yeah.
Ready to put him on the fire, you know, make him go and take time.
Okay. See that, guys? So when the steam now, it go shrink down and everything, right?
Yeah, man, and you go see color pretty, man.
Alright.
See how everything look good on it, you know?
Yeah.
Make him steam down and then you go, you know?
See the right color and see how it turn out.
Everything come together.
Yes. So you say that's a prep up for the stew piece?
Yeah. Enough.
Some chicken foot, guys. Yeah.
Yo, Arnold tail, that's a
Pigtail.
yeah, man.
Alright, sir.
We're gonna have a beef for tonight, you know?
Yes. So chef, how the oxtail come on?
Oxtail almost ready, man. The next 5-10 minutes, the oxtail done.
Ah.
Yeah, man. I would say 11 o'clock when it does. Just visit Flava Pot any time of week.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
You can see oxtail fall off the bone right there,
That is
so
it, man. See them, man. Oxtail well tender, man. Fall off the bone.
rice. Look at the rice. Look at the rice here, so.
Yeah, man.
So you can say almost ready.
Yeah, man. Rice grilling, don't bust, man. I steam rice, I steam out and all, man. Yeah, man. Rice ready.
Ready. See that,
5 more
guys?
minutes. Rice and peas done cook.
See there.
I just say come down to Flava Pot by 11 o'clock. Everything ready. Lunchtime.
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 Yes. And breakfast ready for 8 o'clock.
What you mean, man?
Yes.
Breakfast ready for 8 o'clock. Lunch already by 11 o'clock. Funny that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Flava Pot. See, man, not really kernel for like pretty like them, man. Not even kernel for like pretty like them, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, fried chicken right off the bat.
So what you say, chef? What you gonna deal with now?
I go to soup, I gotta do that now, you know.
Yeah.
I'm at this thing around town right now. You
The
know,
goat
man,
soup?
Yeah, man, I'm at this thing around town, man.
When we say goat soup, you talk about Manish water.
Yes, goat head, goat foot, goat trap, everything in it.
Okay.
So I carrot, prep it up yesterday, fresh,
Yes.
pumpkin, straight from Jamaica.
Yes.
So them rich.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. As I'm saying, straight from Jamaican pumpkin this,
Yeah,
guys.
man, Jamaican pumpkin.
Yeah.
Get everything cut up, wash
Yeah.
off and
Pumpkin, yes.
filled with some carrot and all.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get this wash again. You know?
Yeah, wash it again.
Again.
Yes.
Now we're gonna start on the soup. You don't know. We like to prep our thing them.
Yeah.
Have them ready.
Okay.
So prep up them thing, yeah. Ready for throw in. Scald off the tripe and everything, ready for throw in. Press foot them just pressure down. And
Okay.
thing. Yeah, man. So I just put in everything in a pot now and make it boil in and rare. And then we just take time, season up and go down the road.
Alright. So as you can see right here, so guys, I Manish water soup. I'm gonna cook right now, guys. So I'm gonna cook in Manish water soup. Alright. So how much bucket of water you da put in this, you know, chef?
Well, it varies. It varies. So probably about 5.
5 buckets.
Yeah, probably about 5.
Alright.
And then it gradually rise when time the stuff them go inside, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. It gradually rise up when stuff go inside.
Okay.
Season up the goat, you know?
Okay.
Yes, I get me season them, prep up and wash and everything, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. The Irish and carrot tug of birds will go to.
Oh.
Just wash them,
Yes.
throw them in a pot, you know?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, see the finishing touch on the goat, you know?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Look at that, guys. Some Irish potato and some carrots.
You know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Go and flavor up the pot. At flavor.
What?
Ah. See that, guys?
We already have the seasoning and all for choke on the goat, you know?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Finishing touch on the goat.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Don't know without the spice.
It now go nice.
Nah, but nice.
So, guys, you have to have a little bit of spice. You have to have a little bit of, just a little bit of heat.
Yeah, man. Have to have it now.
Yeah, man.
Time is the master again.
Time is the master.
Alright.
Pimento.
Just crush him. Just throw him in the pot, see him, you know?
Yes.
Heat the next 5-10 minutes cooking. Goat ready.
Oh, okay.
With that, everything in the pot. Yeah, man. Final touches.
Guys.
Goat, you know?
Yeah,
Final
man.
touches.
Yeah.
Oh God, goat pretty, man.
Man. Pretty
Well
and
seasoned.
well seasoned. And as I'm saying, the aroma where come from this here, man. Why, this take me back to Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, man.
I bring you out abroad.
That is it.
Yes, guys.
Flava pot. But the way alone does it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
For real, man. Look at that. A big pot of curry goat.
Got that. Sure, that. I don't want that for your oxtail. I know make your oxtail salt. You get me?
You don't want the water on it?
No, man, you don't want the water for your oxtail. Man. Make your oxtail salty. You get me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bean in the oxtail, you know?
Yeah. That's
Have to
how
have a finishing touch, man.
you have to have it finished too.
Have to have the bean in it, man.
Yes.
Have to have the bean in the oxtail.
You have to have, of course, you have to have your butter bean in there, oxtail, guys.
Look at that. Oxtail ready. I see that. Chicken ready.
Chicken ready.
Ready chicken on.
On.
Yes, sir.
Look at that, guys.
Golden.
Golden brown.
Golden. Chicken ready.
Yeah.
Go and drain off, you know?
Alright.
Irish and the carrot cook, you know?
Yeah.
Lock it off.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, right now I go work on some curry tripe and bean.
Some curry chipe and bean.
Yeah. So these are the things that we are dealing.
Yes.
I get the season them up to par right now.
Okay.
Some scallion, some onion, look at thyme. We have the tripe scald off already.
Yes.
Scald it multiple times because we want it clean and fresh, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. Then we go drop in the curry in the pot and burn it to a little bit.
Yes.
Ginger,
Yeah, man. You have to have your ginger when you do your curry.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my garlic. So you can see, I get everything together. You
Yeah.
don't know, that's what me have.
Flavor, the flavor.
Yeah, man.
I ate the
I
flavor.
don't want too much in it.
Yeah.
Make the people them can't enjoy the food.
Yeah.
So you don't know if I have a look how eat tonight, you know?
Yeah.
So we have a look at this stuff.
Some nice spice to it, you know?
Yeah.
Some thyme.
Pimento seed. Yeah, we just give them a little bit of pimento seed now from the start. When it's brown and a catch color. So now, I get them and throw them in the pot now, you know?
Okay.
So I will try scald it off already.
Yeah.
And take, yeah. Eat a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
Make the oil hot so you can burn the curry, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So it's a better pack?
Straight from yard. Better pack, straight from yard.
Always burn the curry first.
Yeah, man. So we burn the curry. Man, stir around. And then throwing them on like it's sauteed a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
So one of them seasoning are kind of come to one.
Right.
Caramelize, you know?
Yes.
Flavor caramelizing and so not being the tripe and I know you just put in the season them. And then we just take time turning, then we put in the pressure.
You can smell the curry, you can smell the scent from the curry, the richness.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Straight from your man, better pack.
Yeah. Couldn't be no other pack.
No. Take time to get browning. Color take time coming. Take time, add the season them inside.
Yeah.
Jamaican all-purpose, straight from yard.
Yeah.
Best of water and this still. Just infuse up everything now.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right now.
Oh gosh, look at that. Yeah. Look at that, guys.
Story about the steam grung, you know? Inside.
Steam and come from this. So you just make it go and steam down and
make it take time and go and steam down.
yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, guys, look at this. Let's talk about some peanut porridge, guys. Look at that. Yeah, man. You know, say you have to have this first thing in the morning. You have to have the peanut porridge before you eat anything. Yeah, man. Something nice and warm in the system. Look at that, guys. We'll try the peanut porridge right now, guys. Nice. Nice and rich. Tasty peanut. Fresh. Chef. Peanut porridge, bad man. Bad man, yeah man. Guys, see, that's my first thing we try in the morning. The first thing we try is the peanut porridge. Mmm. Yeah man. Nice. I'll go and enjoy my porridge now, guys. Check him back in a bit. Yeah.
Finish prep everything for the soup.
Okay.
Yellow yam, I don't know, Jamaican where I come from.
Yes.
I chill on inside them part there.
Oh.
Peel them up right now. I cut them up, dice them up with the cocoa, potato, and some spinach, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. I say it turn out, man, like a magic.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
Look at this, guys. Yellow yam. So you get them peel up and then wash and ready.
Wash. Then I'm going to cut up and then I'm going to wash again.
Yeah.
So everything we're doing is cleansing it, you know.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
That's
Everything, cleansing it.
Yes.
We get some plantain, you know, some ripe plantain, so I cut it up, pull up the tray.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get the other out, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yes, guys, so you don't know, sir, Chef Max, you know. Yeah, man. I cut up some ripe plantain.
Yeah, man. We have another feed right now, we put out some these chocolate, isn't it?
Okay.
We say Flava Fridays with this, all the things are up on the menu, isn't it?
Yeah. But it's a Flava Friday.
Yeah, man, Flava Fridays, man. Flava Pot, you know?
Yeah.
Holy Pacific.
So it's a Friday, you get busy.
Yeah, man, well busy for Fridays. Well busy for Fridays, man.
Nice.
One unit as a family same way, you know?
That's it.
Yeah.
The family work together. Yeah, man.
Give them a first wash.
First wash.
Yeah, then I'm going to cut them up now. And then I'm going to wash them again before them go in and pot.
Okay. See that, guys? Give them the first wash, cut them up, and then I'm going to wash it again before I put it in the pot. Right there. Steam veg ready. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Very colorful.
Okay.
Man.
Sometimes you know I have to set speed.
What is it? Show me ton Carmine. What going on with it?
Yeah. Sometimes ready.
Good. So ton Carmine ready.
Yeah, man. Ready sometimes ready right now.
And this is just a special order.
This is just a special order right now we are about to get.
Yeah, how would the person order it with?
Steam fish, man. Sometimes and steam fish.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Guys, so when last year ever eat steamed fish and ton Carmine? Yeah, man. Right now, you know, with their yard, you know, with their Jamaica. Because, trust me, all the food when you see them cook up in their kitchen. Yeah, man, bring it back to Jamaica.
So get the second washer now, so time to throw him in the pot, you know?
Okay. Nice.
Look for the color, this is pumpkin color.
Rich.
Try it in the
Yes.
try it in now. Throw him head and foot.
Yes.
Right now, I take and body my flavor now.
Okay.
Yeah, so start on potato. You see, more thing I show you, more it arrives, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. More to the sun and more it arrives.
But be up right up here, sir.
Yeah.
After you put in all of them ingredients and things going there.
Right up it down. Come on, them are the pepper.
Yeah.
Finally call them eggs, you know?
Eggles.
Eggs.
Eggles.
Yeah.
But we know it as cocoa. Yes.
That's some ram goat noodle.
Ram goat no go.
Yeah, man. So, kind of wash out the noodle. So, I don't want them in a soup, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. We're going to put them in a soup.
Yeah.
Get rid of them thing off fire.
So you say the plant ready?
Yeah, man, we have start fry the plant them now. You know, we will cut them as I say. I have a special order.
Yeah.
So we usually cut them and make the tray overflow. So we're not shorting nobody for them things, you see me?
Alright.
You know, once you start frying it, it'll go shrink.
Yes.
So we make it like a mountain, and then if it come like a valley after it, then it start shrink.
Alright.
Sure, then my attire now.
Yeah.
Go on there, see, you know?
What you say, chef?
Stew pork, you know? Every time I go on your road.
Yes.
Yes, sir. That is it, man. Stew pork.
What you say, chef?
Look at that. Rice and peas. What, man? Who could I do it? Who but Flava Pot? Rice and peas ready.
Ready.
For rice shelly, man.
Alright.
Rice shelly. Flava Pot does it better. Yes, sir.
Guys, as you can see, and you can just smell the coconut milk, everything that's come off of this right now, eh?
Oh gosh, man. Don't tell me already now by 11 o'clock, come out for lunch. That's it.
So that guys,
Rice and peas, nada.
yeah.
Got that for them, yeah. Enjoy rice and peas,
Yeah.
put on butter pot, you know?
Yes. So you put on the next pot of rice and peas?
Yeah, man, we can't wait for 11 o'clock, you know? Because we wait, we not got no food.
Oh yeah,
We
say.
run out of food, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I put on butter pot right away, man. Empty it out, put it on back.
And that's a 50 pound.
Yeah. 50 pound of rice right off the bat.
Guys, it's only 9:50 right now
man.
in the morning.
That is
And look, a big pot of rice just come off for the fire, and I'm gonna put on the next big pot.
right after.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Stick it in the pot.
Yeah.
Shape them round.
Yeah.
As much as a ripe plant, it
Yeah.
looks as simple. Some people fry it and burn it up, so you have to really know when to turn it. You see me? You have to
Yes.
plant them on one side. You see, as the side start brown, turn it round. You see me? And then, if you want to get a little bit more color, you just keep flipping it like that. You see me?
Yes.
But you just don't want to burn by one side, so you just flip it.
Keep on flipping.
Alright.
Yeah.
Once they're brown, you just start turning them around now so they're not burn. Get a nice golden color on them, you see me?
Yes. Yes. You say you require 2 peas?
Yeah.
So you pressure these now, you go pressure this?
EP in a little slight little pressure,
Yes.
and then we're chewing them thing now. And then we're gonna season it up, put him on back and pressure him now again, and then we'll just take him off and ready.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just finish him up and go on the road.
Alright.
Yeah, man, now we're going to the soup pot now.
Okay.
Pepper, scallion, thyme, you know, we can't afford it. Good old pimento seed. Then I'll straight from yard, you know.
Yeah.
The man I look at camouflage pimento seed, I mean, it's big and fat and nah, not use. Then I'm straight from yard.
Yes.
Yeah.
Real pimento.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Try to make sure to let it wash proper.
Yeah.
Now, when I eat dirty food now, you know, dirty pot, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Thing have to nice. One wash can't work.
One wash can work.
Can't work. Can't.
You have to make sure so you wash properly.
The thing on the pipe and take you out and gone. And now wash the thing, you know? Water clear. And I chew off.
They say water have it clear.
Clear. When you chew off.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Come in now.
Oh gosh, look at that, guys. Look them on. Look at that. Coming on, chef.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
In a few minutes, it's ready.
In a few minutes, you ready?
Ready.
Yeah, I say.
Couple more minutes. So drop in the final touch and spin off them and the both foot and the head.
Yeah.
Then we are going to move to the spinners and bam bam, get rid of that and done.
Yeah, because you don't pressure the meat them already, right?
Yeah, pressure the meat them already and get them scald off and everything from earlier. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Oh, yeah, add some pimented.
Yeah. Flavor.
Yeah.
Garlic, allspice, but a pimento for you, you know?
Yeah. Alright. Look at that, guys. Some nice ripe fried plantain. So oil clean? Yeah, man. Yep. And every day, freshly, everything.
Every day.
Yeah,
Every
fresh.
day.
Just cook from scratch every day.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try to operate a lean manufacturing. You know what I say?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Cook just the right amount. You see me I say every week we look for we analyze with sales and stuff like that. You see me I say and we know on an average how much to cook. You see me I say?
Yes.
On the days them just like when I tell you like today on Friday.
Yes.
You know so I probably go 8 pan of rice, we're gonna make rice and peas and go sell out.
How much?
Yeah man, go 8 pan, you see me?
Yeah.
So during the week, we don't really make that much. So at the end of the night now, you know, so when time we're done, the food done. You get me? I say we're not carry over nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so we keep it on average, you know. All
Yes.
the sales are around almost a couple.
Alright. Okay.
You don't want to cook too much, and you don't want to cook too little.
Yes.
You have to have the right amount.
Yes.
You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man, so them panna. 8 pan of them I go with rice and peas, you see me? So we do that to keep the steam in it, to keep it warm, and we put it in the warmer.
Okay.
Pan Friday we average about 7 to 8. You see me? Well, we know so we have to have that.
Yes.
If we know say it got almost done, then we know so we overachieve, but we still have to make more. You see me? I said just to carry over the night, but on average about 8.
Okay.
You see me?
Talk to me, chef. What go on?
You know, it's cool. They want to feel that something like spinners, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, drop into spinners in the pot, you know?
Okay.
Everything from in one and a few more minutes and food ready.
Yeah. So a few more minutes. Soup ready.
15, 20 minutes,
Yeah.
max 25,
Yeah.
soup ready.
Don't know, as we say now, we always have season prep and ready, you get me mean?
Yes.
So it's a fast going thing, so we have to have them thing already. So right now I go throw in some seasoning in the pot and cover him back down and make the season go and cook in for the pork, you get me mean?
Okay.
Stew pork. Oh no, gosh, look at that.
On some stew pork. And you get jerk pork.
Yes, sir.
Gosh, guys.
Ready. I'm just gonna make this simmer down, you know? Marinate.
Yeah.
Ready.
Alright.
I'm going to finish up now. Tripe and bean.
Okay.
Put some water in it.
Yeah.
Finish cook right now. We're throwing the final season. After the final season, you know, I'll peel and lock off outside.
Alright.
Final season, I'll see the tripe and bean.
Oh, for the tripe and bean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Final season.
Although me see you put some season earlier.
Yeah, man. Let us start it. It have finished.
Okay.
I want to think flavorful, you know?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, put in until the nine outside. Have a flavor.
Yes.
Cook out and taste it in the gravy.
Yeah.
Everywhere, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Spice in it.
Yeah. Give some heat.
I'll try that.
Yeah, man. I can have some heat in that, you know, especially like curry.
Curry. Yeah. Curry. I eat curry, man. You know, say I run.
Yeah.
I drink a good soup and you know, say I run.
You know, say I run.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So you say, chef?
Jerk pork.
Jerk pork?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we kind of prep it, you know?
Yes.
Halfway. I put it on the grill now, we finish up, you know?
Yes.
So, get on the grill and I'm just taking time and going, you know? You get me?
Alright.
Cover them down and everything. You understand?
Yeah. Guys, look at that. You don't say jerk pork well cooked, you know, guy.
So this I'm good now.
Yes.
See them cooking.
Yeah.
Let it be in the night. And then we're just ready for your run.
Alright.
So look minutes on this already.
Yeah, sir.
I'm not sure that's what I said. Goat head, goat foot, goat
Yeah.
tribe.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I'm modesty.
Come on.
Come on, you gotta be judge, you know, because I get a sample.
Yo, you mean,
I will
man?
tell you what I go on, you know?
I mean, man, we can't say I cook up all of this greatness there, so I'm in a sample it, all
Yeah,
of this. Goated soup and all.
Yeah, man.
Have a try it, man. Have to try it, you know? Oh,
Fried chicken, you know?
some fried chicken.
Yes, sir. Sauce them up and put them in the oven and then bake, you know?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is Barbie fry.
Garlic fry.
Yes, guys.
Some people put them in a pot and make it cookie and they want, you know, different ones, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Put them in the oven and make it bake on, you know?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Nice.
Ready.
Ready.
Jerk chicken right now.
Okay.
But again, if you want smoky and taking time and finish it, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Jerk chicken. All that smoke and aroma, you know?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, man. People can't get enough rice.
Man, keep coming back for more.
Yes, sir.
Look there, man. Look at that.
Put on for the grill there, you know?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you know mix it with the one where you go on the pork. A different grill, man.
Two different grill, man.
Two
Pork griller. This side pork grill.
Yes.
This side jerk chicken grill, you know? So
Alright.
two grill.
Two grill.
Two grill. One for pork, one for jerk chicken. Alright. Ready up the jerk pork, you know, man. Put up and put outside. I don't know them right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Ready to serve.
Ready to serve. Ready to serve.
Gosh.
Yeah. Not fun already, I mean, already. Pork ready, you know?
Yes, guys. You know, so I have to sample the pork. Yeah, man. Pork bad, man. Chef.
Yeah.
Nice. Full of flavor.
Yes, sir.
And tender too.
That is it.
Yeah, man. Huh?
Jacket.
Guys.
Tripe and bean.
What you say?
Tripe and bean ready.
What you say? Tripe and bean ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, gosh.
Tripe and bean ready. Tripe and bean, you know?
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Huh? Yes, guys. You don't know, you know. To get a sip out of the Manish water. Yeah, man. Oh, yes. Nice, man. Yeah, man. Can taste real ram goat.
You know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Guys,
I'm good.
real.
Get on foot and
Yes.
everything in there.
Yes. The flavor. Huh? Chef, that one a bad man, for real, man.
Up there?
Yeah, man. You want to big up your chef, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, guys. This Manish water tastes real good. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Remember, it's just a sip for now, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. Soup. Bad. Tastes real good. Full of flavor.
Peas are coming now.
So it's 2 peas already.
Yeah, man, I'm just coming now. See what I say?
Yeah.
Put in the final season right now. Ghana Road. Ghana Road.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Yeah.
Just dirty for each, you know?
Let I finish, look.
Dirty must read.
No, man, we'll put in the carrot and man, some scallion and thyme and everything in there now. Let him cook it look a
So
bit.
get the bag and ready and everything else already. I just
Meat them done already. So now my final flavor now going out you know?
Okay, okay. All right. Yes, chef.
jerk chicken all that chop out, you know?
Okay.
Inside.
Look at that, guys.
Inside.
Order ready to go.
Yeah, man, one full tray of jerk chicken there, other man. One full tray of jerk chicken. You get me?
Yeah.
That is it, man.
But there you go. So good, man. And smell good too.
Alright.
Soon tell you how it tastes.
Alright.
Yes.
We'll do the final touch up for the stew pea. Getting them flavor emblem in it, you know?
Okay. So you said this is
Final show in it.
Oh, okay.
Stew peas.
Yeah. Guys, look at this. Nothing but greatness. I talk about some stew peas, pigtail, chicken foot, and some salt beef.
No, regular beef.
Regular beef?
Yeah. So, cooking now. So it's ready to go.
Okay.
So it's chunky.
Chunky. So you get, say I get meat.
Yeah, man.
I get meat. I just peas alone.
No,
Yeah, I get meat.
everything in that.
Alright. You see that, guys? Ah, man. Yes, chef. What you say all about now?
Yeah, man, that's steamers, you know.
Okay.
Ready up a steam fish to order for Flava Pot Cuisine.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I check up with seasoning them, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, so right now we're going to do steam fish right now. So we have some okra, we have some seasoning, thyme, we don't know, some piment, we have some corn, pumpkin, carrot, butter. Throw it down on the stove right now and take one simmer now.
Okay.
Our fish ready, wash and season, you see me?
Yes.
Lightly season, because you don't know we're going to season it pot.
Yes.
So we don't want when the pot, the sauce get too salty, you see me? I say?
Okay.
So we just lightly season the fish, then we're going to pretty up and nice up the sauce. You see me? We're going to simmer down in some nice coconut milk and thing, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Let everything come together real nice. You know, get the real flavor out of it.
Yeah, man.
Drop in the scotch in there, man, you know?
Get some scotch bonnet.
Yes, man.
What you mean, man? I have to get some flavor, man.
Yeah, man. Now, throwing the whole so we don't have to mix up the soup pack as well.
Yeah,
Pour
so
water that, so we don't want just one fish, so we don't want this swim.
yeah, what?
Yeah, man. We don't want you.
Keep it on the shallow, you know?
You know?
Yes, yes.
We don't want to boil the fish, we don't want that steam, we want to steam it. So we also want some little liquid in it.
Yes.
Get the steam going.
Yes.
Get the fish on top of it and cover it down. You see me?
Okay, yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So I make some dumpling for stew peas.
Yeah, man. Drop it, spin out, you know.
Yeah, some cornmeal.
Yeah, cornmeal off the night.
Yeah.
My flour on a yard style.
Yeah, man. See that, guys? Yeah, man. See spinners making some dumpling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make up the body night, you know.
Yeah. So,
Pork done, you know.
stew pork done?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Pork ready now.
yeah, so man, look at that, guys. Yeah.
Ready soup.
Yeah. Nice.
Sharp and tender.
Yeah, man.
Very. Watch it.
Oh, gosh. Ready to serve.
Ready to serve.
So what the name? What the chef name?
Gerber, you know?
What they call you?
Gerber.
Gerber.
That is it.
Yeah, man. So how long you cook for now? How long you in the kitchen?
How long we in the kitchen about 4 years now, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man, we in the kitchen about 4 years now. So we are trying perfectly craft, you know? You get what I mean?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, me ask you something. How you start out? How you start out in the kitchen? What make you start
You know
out?
what? Every Jamaican as a boy, you know, you go a river and after river you just go and go cook some food. So that's how we start out from, you get what I mean?
Yes.
From river days, come back right back up, you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because you cook food at riverside in the right tune. So when you're a youth, man, you just tell yourself say that you want, so just that you start out. You get what I mean?
Yes,
That
yes.
is it.
All right. We know what the chef name?
Yeah.
Wayne.
Rasta, you know.
Rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Ras,
Yeah.
how long have you been cooking for?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Have you idea any?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so man.
A juvenile man, we learn to cook, you know.
Yeah.
Grow with the old man and grandmother and rare and thing. And the old man a tough cook, you know.
Yes.
Them man they throw in the kitchen from a young stage. And we a little boy where I cook rice and peas and pork, this, that. Everything you give me I cook for before we even touch high school.
Yes.
So I cook Sunday dinner and all of them stuff there. Primary days, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, and would I do the things here made on a yard and then go migrate and come and just drop it on the field same time.
Yes.
And just continue to do it until God bless you and we work our own thing, you know?
All right.
Yeah, so but the family I do the thing right now.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice. Yeah, man.
Everybody in the family I cook, man.
All right. So,
Everybody in the family.
well, that's good enough. And once in the yard and they grow your grandmother and your grandfather, and you know,
Yeah.
say, yo, you have to learn and, you know,
Yeah.
your grandparents then, you know?
Yeah, man. So, Flava Pot family business. Down to the baby from Flava Pot can cook.
All right. So,
Yeah,
yeah, man. All right, that is it. People, don't tell me now. Tell me if this is a Da Vinci. Eh? But the people so what? People ever come here and call you Da Vinci or say you look like Da Vinci?
Yeah, man, even the first person we used to work for, man. People used to say, yo, just look like Da Vinci, son.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But Da Vinci, man. I win, you know?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. I don't know you already, you know? Make it go and steam down. Yeah. Yeah.
Done prep already, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
Yes.
Done scale off and everything, wash and everything. So I just season, cut him up and salt it out. You get what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So barbecue salmon.
Barbecue salmon.
Yes, I.
Alright.
So sprinkling on with some season. Now
Yeah.
put too much season because you don't know. So when I absorb season quick, you know?
Yes.
So we don't want it too salt.
Right.
Just sprinkle some season on him and go down your road.
Okay.
Lightly.
Yes.
Yes, I. You know, I'm basing this one. Just cut him up.
Yeah.
No?
Okay.
Size. This size, you know, I get there.
Mm.
That tight size, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
Nice size.
Nice size.
Alright. Ah.
Salmon in a pot now, no?
Yes. And this is
Barbecue salmon, you know?
barbecue salmon.
Yes, I. Barbecue salmon.
Look at that, guys. So sweet and sour.
Yeah, man, only chicken breast, man, I best.
Yeah.
Only chicken breast.
Sweet and sour.
Yeah, man, sweet and sour, man. Chicken breast we use and make it sweet and sour. You get me?
Alright.
Yes, I.
Look at that, guys. Oh, gosh.
Chicken breast.
Yeah.
Test it with one person, you know? That is it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You have been one of them waka.
Yeah, man, when I walk, I use it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes. Sweet and sour. Chicken breast. See, I make an order for go out now, chef. 2 pound of jerk. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, wait.
Wait, you see me? Right for the money. Nobody put them things. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, man.
So if you're starting to go with it, just like that.
Okay. Yeah. What is the chef? Busy?
Yeah, man. People them promote that, you know?
Yeah.
Ready.
All right, sir. Yes, sir. Run here for your run.
Yeah. People them want them food for move, you know?
Yeah.
Get it to them. Hey, stop.
Man.
Get rid of them out like
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, man. So, where's chef name?
Charlie, you know, Steve otherwise, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
How you
So
mean?
go and do a little thing, you know, understand?
Yeah.
Family thing, so we just go and make it run, you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
So the team make the dream work, you know what I mean?
That is it.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
That
man.
is it. Yeah, man.
So we just go and do the thing.
All right.
Yeah, man. I hope the community love it, you see me? I
Yes.
know them love it, because they never stop come back. Flava Pot that thing, you know.
Well, from the years, so I see the server and the chef, them, you can't stop run.
I run.
Then I walk, I run them, I run. I serve.
I don't tell the manager them say we need new athletic shoes, you see me?
Yes.
And then we them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You're busy, man, which is good still,
Yeah,
you know?
man. That's always. That's always.
Cow-
Busy is always good.
Yes, cause once the food nice, the people them have to come back twice.
Twice.
Yes.
Thrice.
I tries. Yes.
I eat that.
Yeah, man. So it's a good look.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
There's some salmon right now. You know?
Yeah.
Some of them like it deep fried. So we deep fry it. And then we're gonna put some sweet chili sauce on it. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. And put it out if the people them said sweet.
All right.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Bless.
All right, guys. So we're here with
Shelly,
Shelly, and she's
organic farmer of
Kalaloo. Oh gosh, look at that, guys. Some good.
and it's
fresh.
organic. It's important to stress that we grow in harmony with nature.
Yes.
So we use wood chips, cow, horse, chicken manure, sheep manure,
Yes.
to give the callaloo a good start.
Mm-hmm.
But because we have great soil
Okay.
and we use rainwater, so
Okay.
we farm at McVean.
Mm-hmm.
We're part of the conservation,
Okay.
Clareville Conservation in Brampton.
Yes.
And yeah, we grow callaloo, everything organic, but we also do garlic, scallion, beets, and I grow flower. We have callaloo available July and August. Because this is not a native, it's a non-native plant. Around the time when the temperature starts to dip,
Yeah.
then it starts to get yellow. We don't want to give people yellow stuff.
Kalaloo. Yes.
So we say ideally July, August is our peak callaloo season.
Okay.
After that, it's a little, it's debatable. It's based on the temperature.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Do you have a number that you could leave with them, like if they want to contact you?
The best way is to follow us on Instagram
Yes.
at Callaloo Farms.
Okay.
And we have numbers and address there. We're at McVean Farm, part of the Clareville Conservation.
Where
in
that
Brampton.
located? In Brampton.
It's McVean and Queen.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Nice.
Okay. We're happy to provide flavor pot with callaloo.
Well,
fresh
that's
callaloo.
that good. So anyone watching this, so you know if they come at Flavor Pot, they might get the real deal.
That's right.
They might get the real organic callaloo.
Yes.
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 You know, get the tin callaloo. You get the real.
Real
Organic.
recognize real.
Yes.
Real recognize
Real
real.
recognize real.
You
Yeah.
got it.
All right.
All
Thank
right,
you.
Thank you.
Right. Yes, guys, look at this. Just delivered to Flavor Pot. So you know you're getting the real deal right here.
And now I'm gonna go get my ackee and saltfish and green banana.
All right. See that? Yeah, man. Right now, Mr. She just deliver some fresh callaloo, some
Yeah.
real organic callaloo. So when the people them come here, so they might get the real deal. They not get no tin
Nah,
callaloo.
man, the real thing, man, authentic, man, you see me?
Yes.
If I'm half of the farmer straight from Jamaica, half of the farmer in Jamaica same way too, you see me?
Yes.
And I know more than one supplier because supply and demand, so we have more than one supplier supplying us these things, but
Yes.
we have to make sure it's organic. We not give them a tin nothing, you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, man, for real.
That's good,
And
man.
you know, we cater to the vegans and the vegetarian them as well too.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure it's give them the real stuff putting in them body, you see?
All right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You hear that, guys? So if you come here, you're not getting a tin callaloo. You get the real callaloo. You
Yeah,
talk
that.
about the real organic callaloo.
Yes, aye.
Yeah, man. As you can see, the lady just deliver callaloo, and she said she just cut it just now and bring it here. So, yeah, man. Come on down. Flavor Pot.
That's some shrimp pasta right there, you know?
Some shrimp pasta.
Yeah.
That is it, man. Yeah. Hey, so chef, what you look about now?
Next plot of rice and peas, I'm tell you about, man. Oh, gosh.
We are say.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
One more plot of rice and peas. Right now, I go for the fire.
All right.
Yeah, man. Shrimp pasta, you know what I'm saying?
Ready to go.
Yeah, man, ready to go, is it?
All right.
I'm not so big, you know?
Yeah.
Elegant, right?
And this is for your
Jerk chicken pasta.
jerk chicken pasta.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright. So we'll do that now. Drop it in.
Yeah.
Drop it in. Now we noodles them here. Penne pasta. Drop it in.
So this is 2 order.
2 hours. Yeah.
Okay.
So you see, we measure what we think. So
Yes.
we over make. You see me I say?
Okay.
Them one pasta. Put the measure it out to this.
Yes.
So we don't over make nothing we have to waste. You see me I say?
Okay.
Yeah. We just made the shrimp one a while ago. Wash out the pot. Start over. So we don't want to cross contaminate nothing.
Exactly.
The shrimp and the chicken and everything
Yes.
like that. So
Yes.
wash the pot and start a new one. You see me?
Yes.
We start sticking and we just stir it around.
Yes.
Eat a look of it, make it get more thicker, and then the noodles they absorb the sauce. You see me? But without the sauce, you know, the noodles is nothing.
That's
just
true.
bland, you know what
That's
I'm saying?
true. Yes.
Share more, you know?
Yeah.
And so they want oxtail and fried chicken on it as well.
And the jerk chicken. And the jerk.
The jerk chicken pasta, you see me?
I saw them love it.
I tell you, man.
Guys, look at that.
Because of my magic on it, you see me?
Yes.
They look nice, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Guys, look at this. Look at that.
Then I drop oxtail them outside for them and I know.
Okay.
Good, you get what I'm saying?
Yes. To show you how the people, how them love it. Them ask for jerk chicken, fried chicken, oxtail pasta. Yeah, man. Nice, it nicer. Ah. So this is the sauce right here, chef.
Yes, I. It's like saucy sweet and sour, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, I. Put on the sauce on the chicken and all. Spread out.
Sauce well nice and hot right
Oh
now.
gosh, man. Marinating the chicken set speed, you know?
Yes.
Yes, brother.
Guys, I go bust a little secret. It look like they have pineapple in there. A pineapple, me I say?
Oh, I just seasoning.
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 Oh gosh.
Seasoning, you know?
Yeah.
Well seasoned down.
Yes.
Yes, brother. Well seasoned down.
Oh, you
Well
see?
seasoned down, you know?
Yeah, man. That me see and see the aroma and this. Look on it.
Oh gosh, man.
Huh? Wow.
That is it.
Yeah, man. Well, nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You say the chopper this?
Yes.
Oh, God. Chopper king.
Yeah, man.
Or the chopper boss?
Anyway, you want to put it as long as it's chopping, you know?
The chopping.
The flavor pot where the flavor is flavor, you know?
Yes. So what is your name?
Name. Ah, there you know.
Okay. Say all of them a go crazy, eh?
Yeah, man. Them say flavor pot where the flavor is flavoring, you know?
Alright.
Bam, out there, you know? There, you know?
Yes, order.
That is it.
Yeah. So you say I make with I make now?
Pasta sauce we're gonna make right now.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, man, and the patty as we say we used to make the sauce, you know.
Yeah.
But it gone so viral and gone so heavy supply. You see me I say the demand for it.
Yes.
You know, so we have to upgrade it to a bigger pot, bigger size.
Ah, double the pot, yeah.
And
Yeah,
the
man.
idea when time it done now. So it's a look, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah, man, just like that, is it?
And you say by the end of the day that done?
Yeah, man, that done, man. By the end of the idea.
Gosh.
By the end of the idea, probably too long too. You
Yeah.
see me, we have a special mixing here, so you see me, this is our secret. And only flavor pot alone can keep it, you know?
Alright.
People them can only peep it, you know? Can't know what in there even if you leak it, you hear that?
Alright.
Yeah, man. So this is the secret mix.
Secret mix.
We alone have it. You get me?
Ah, yes. So anybody will try if you copy this, can't get it like that.
Alright. Chop it in fast, you know?
Yes.
Straight round.
See that, guys? When I give her too much time ingredients, you know, just I show you a sneak peek of how him do him pasta, him famous pasta where everyone go crazy for, you know? Yeah, man.
So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna put some sweet chili sauce
Oh,
on it.
see that, guys? Look at that.
Marinating the sauce.
Man, that look juicy and nice right now. For all the people who love their salmon.
This is it, man.
Guys. Yes. Ah,
That is it.
that is it.
So I Parmesan cheese blend now. We get the fine one, you see me?
Okay.
Because we don't want not too grainy.
Yes.
Like the sauce, you know?
Okay.
Just want it to have a smooth texture.
Yes.
So what we do now with this, so we drop it in. You see me? Just like, you know, like when you make meal porridge and them thing there.
Yes.
Them say if it, as it drop in, just go and stir.
Okay.
And you don't want it lump up. You know what I'm
Right.
saying?
Right,
You
right.
just go and stir. You don't want a lumpy night. You don't want it too grainy. You just want a smooth texture on it. You see me?
Yes.
And as I say, we have to double for everything because we have to double the sauce. The
Yes.
volume of sauce because,
People been coming for the pasta.
yeah, man. Yeah, so, look, you know, everything coming well. Alright, now, when we done stir this now, we give a little time for the cheese go and cook in now.
Mm-hmm.
All of the flavors in there combine together.
Okay.
You know?
Alright, guys, so right now, as you can see, look at this. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at your breakfast menu. Talking about presentation. Yeah, man, presentation, guys. Yes, guys, so as you can see, right here, so we have some steamed veg, ackee and saltfish. Yeah, man, and some kidney right here, guys. Yeah, man, and fritters. We know it as fritters. Yes, some fried dumpling. And you don't know some fried plantain. Yes, and curry chicken, guys, and some stew chicken, and that's for a breakfast menu, guys. Trust me, Flava Pot really doing it good. Presentation. This is what we're talking about, guys. Presentation. Look at this real authentic Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So right now, let's go in it. Right now, let me try the ackee and saltfish first. Yeah, man. Ackee and saltfish first, cause you know said start of the morning, right? Yeah. Yes, guys. Look at that. Look at that, man. Tastes real good, man. Gosh. This. Look at the fry. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh yeah. See fritters, guys. Look at this. Fritters nice. Tastes real good, guys. Real good. Yeah. Mom? Alright, right now, I'm gonna try my cabbage. Yes, guys, as you guys see how I'm steaming the cabbage this morning. Yeah, man. This is it. Look at it. Yeah, man. This is it. Guys, the flavor, everything A1 so far. Alright, I'm gonna try a kidney now. Look at this, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Food. Food nice. Try it on the dumpling. Look at the dumpling here. See? Yeah, man. Look at this. Yeah. No? Dumpling nice too, fresh. Fresh, guys. Look at that. Yeah, man. As a food, must taste. Tastes real good. With seasoning. Guys, you have to come down here and try it. Come on. You remember how you were frying the plantain this morning? Look at it. Nice. Yeah. Feel like we're in heaven. Right now, I'm gonna miss Jamaica one bit because the food just bring me back to Jamaica. Food nice, really good. Alright guys, so right now I try my curry chicken. Yes, curry chicken. Yeah man. You can get the curry chicken when you come in the morning from the breakfast though. Yeah man, curry chicken. Guys, let me show you something. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Gosh, look at that. Just what you call. Yeah man, well seasoned. Nice heat to it. Yeah man, the flavor is right. Look at this. Alright now, I'm gonna try my show chicken. Yep. Guys, look at that. Yeah man, flavor. Show chicken tastes real good. Flavor. Yeah man, nice flavor. You can taste all the seasoning. Guys, trust me, Flava Pot food tastes real good. And this is just the breakfast menu, some of the breakfast menu. And the food, right now, so I go and enjoy my breakfast. You'll see me back when I'm trying lunch. Alright? Yeah. Yes guys, as I said, try with curry goat, you know. Curry goat, look at it guys. Yeah man. Fall off the board. Man, very nice. Real good. Yeah man. Look at that guys. See? Nice and tender. Yeah man, very nice man, well seasoned, flavor, right. I try my tripe and bean now guys, look at this. Look at that guys. Tripe and bean, yes, curry, tripe and bean. Yeah man, tastes real good, flavor. Nice. Wow. This bring me back home. Yeah man. Jamaica, when I eat with good curry and tripe and bean. Yeah. Tastes real good guys. Boy, I'm not telling a lie. Flava Pot, food nice. Alright, right now I'm gonna try my Oxtail. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's nice and juicy. Fall off the bone. Tastes so good. Huh? Nice and juicy, man. Flavor, right. This is a well seasoned. Can taste the nice heat to your pepper. All the seasoning we have in it, you know, it's well seasoned. And nice and tender, you know? Yeah, man, the oxtail tastes real good. Sweet chili. Look at this. Nice. No lie, the food is really, let's say A1. It's real good. When we talk about presentation. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so right now, I'm gonna try with jerk chicken. As you can see how they were jerking their chicken on the grill. Yeah, man. Look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, chicken. Nice, full of flavor. Tastes real good. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So, yeah, man. Jerk chicken tastes good. Yeah, man. Flavor, as you see, fall off the bone. So, yeah, man. Go on. Zoom away for now. The jerk pork. Yeah. Jerk pork. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah. All right. Yes, guys. So, as you can see, jerk pork. Man, tastes good. This is the lunch menu. Curry goat tastes good. Tripe and bean tastes good. Oxtail tastes great. Fall off the bone. Jerk chicken tastes good. Jerk pork, A1. So right now I'm gonna try the stew pork and I'm gonna leave the salmon for last. Yeah. See? Show you something, guys. Let me show you something. Look at this. Stew pork. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice and tender. Juicy. Flavor. Chef. It nice, really nice. Yeah, man. It's nice. Right now, I'm gonna try the salmon. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Guys, when I'm telling you like this food, chef them can cook. Yes, the chef, they can cook. The food, what I tried so far, thumbs up. I'll say A1. Yeah, man. Flavor, everything on point. Yeah, man. Guys, look at this. Salmon. Oh gosh. Yo, chef, you're gonna do a great job. The food tastes amazing. And right now, I'm gonna go and finish this. I'm going to enjoy my dish. As you can see, it's a lot, but I take my time and go as far as I can go. But the food tastes amazing. Big up Flava Pot. Because their food is A1. Yeah, man. Thumbs up. Yeah, man. So right now, I'm just gonna go and enjoy my food. I'll check in back in a bit. Yes, guys. So right now, I'm here with Max and Wayne. Yeah, man. Them are the owner, the Flava Pot.
Yeah, man.
Yes. So tell me now, how Flava Pot come about?
So I cut it short and thing, you know?
Yes.
So now everybody in the family can cook. And everybody in the family can cook. And our family doctor tell about this place. Say it's going out of business.
Yes.
And everybody have them work and stuff. And we just make a meeting, come together and say we're going to do this as a family business. And then we'll buy it out from them. And then that's the history of Flava Pot, you know?
Yes.
Start running from last year. And it's been a good year. And it's been going good so far, you know? So I have to give thanks, yeah.
Okay, so you say from your starting business been good from ever since?
Yeah, we can't compare. When you just start, you know every business when you just start,
Yeah.
you have days where you're going to say, yo, is this the right move? But I don't know, with prayers and faith, not beat that.
Okay.
Yeah, so we give thanks and one poker full basket and see the outcome come right now. A lot of people are saying, hey, you're the best in Brampton, you know? Yeah, so we just do the thing, you know? Cook with love. Hope
Nice.
the customer, them love it.
All right. So,
Yeah, man, so
go
yeah,
ahead.
so basically, as my brother-in-law said, we did do this, we did the catering on the side as well too, from home. You see me? So, and like I said, we just jump in it. You see me? We did the catering on the side. We have a lot of clients, we do some cookouts and everything there. And you don't know, as I said, the whole of family, the whole of we can cook. So everybody just forward together as a team and, you know, just make it possible now that we have a storefront where we can say, yeah, a Flava Pot away this. So the same people them now, whether that support from them, are still there with you right now, you see me? So till we even have our loyalty cards and them thing there right now, forgive them people there, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah man, so at the end right now, you know, so them get like a free meal or something like that. Some of them, when we have a 1 year anniversary, we did recognize some of them as real supporters of Flava Pot. You get what I'm saying? Yeah man, we give them certificate and them thing there because we appreciate them thing there. Because without them we're nothing and them help motivate we and them thing there. You see what I say?
Yes.
We keep going, you see it?
Yes.
Yeah man.
So, been in the kitchen from morning with you guys and seeing all amazing food you guys cooking. So, is it something that you do every day or is like you have a special day that you're doing like on Friday? You were saying something on Friday, you have a special
Yeah, so we have Flavor Fridays. We call it
Flavor Friday.
Fridays where we do a variety of stuff.
Okay,
You see what I say?
yeah.
A lot more than the days in the week. You get what I say? So it's like we do like salmon, we do lasagna, we do macaroni pie, we do sweet and sour chicken, we do fried rice, stew peas, tripe and bean. Is it a whole heap of stuff? Yeah man.
Curry chicken, stew chicken, oxtail,
Yeah.
Yeah man.
salmon,
Yes.
fish, brown stew fish,
Yeah.
steamed fish.
Yes.
Yeah, so the list goes on. And if you want to carry a shark come and ask you, you can get it.
What?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're not no boundaries, you know?
Okay, so what's your guys' signature dish for the restaurant? Like, what's the main dish that people come here for?
I would say for one, you have a lot, but you have the pasta is a standout, the Alfredo pasta.
Okay, Alfredo pasta.
Yeah.
Yes, because me there earlier, I see someone order jerk chicken, fried chicken, oxtail, pasta.
In a one.
In a one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So the pasta is a hit too, you know?
Okay.
The Alfredo pasta is a hit, so a lot of people come for the Alfredo pasta. Yeah, and the oxtail, a lot of persons come for the oxtail too.
Okay.
You know? Yeah.
Okay. So for social media, you guys on social media?
Yes, sir.
So what's the name on social media and what kind of which social media you guys on?
Instagram right now.
Okay.
Yeah, Flava Pot Cuisine.
Okay.
Yeah.
You on TikTok too?
No, not
No,
yet.
not yet.
Oh, okay.
We're just building up those. Like I said, we're owner operators right now. You know?
Yeah.
Like it take a lot of time. But right now, the Instagram, build up the Instagram, so then we can move on to other platforms. You know.
Yes.
But I'll just mainly word of mouth and just going out there,
Yes.
footwork, groundwork. You see me? To get the people that coming in still. So, and not just social media alone. I do the work out in the community. Anniversary, last at the first anniversary, we did go around, we give food to give back to the school, shelter, we give to the fire station, police station.
Nice.
Here I said the councillor, Brampton, them come down here and them get a taste of what Flava Pot is like. Isn't it? So,
Nice.
Okay. So, yeah, man. So with those type of stuff, we're staying relevant,
Yes,
Even though, as you say, it's just continuous improvement. Once, levels to it still. So I will just continue doing it until we can just get do a lot more marketing on the other platforms.
Okay. If they want to reach out to you guys, you have a phone number where you can reach out to?
Yeah, man. And them can also just once I'm typing Flava Pot Cuisine on Google, everything pop up. Website. Is in there, Instagram. So 905-500-5396.
Okay. And where you guys located?
700 Balmoral Drive, Unit 11, Brampton.
All right.
Yeah.
Just off Balmoral Drive, just off Brampton.
Yeah.
Yeah, off Tobran. So it's like in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So for all the people out there watching, what you want to tell them?
Come out if you want some nice food to get. Come out to Flava Pot. Early in the morning you can get your breakfast, fried dumpling, wild dumpling, yam, green banana, kidney, liver, rundown.
Yeah.
We do cabbage with canned beef. We mix it up. Baked bean, butter bean and savage. We mix it up. I can't savage. We just try to bring back the yard style back to Canada.
That is it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man, because we've been there from about, 6:30, and trust me, it's just some real authentic Jamaican food we're seeing, And you guys doing a good job.
Yeah.
As we say, as a family, own business, and you guys doing good, and trust me, keep up the good work, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. All right, so guys, see it there? So there, so. Yeah, man. And you don't know, Flava Pot, as you can see it up here, so Flava Pot Cuisine. Yes, guys, and trust me, the food, amazing, A1. I'm not telling you, like, the food, amazing, so just come on down and try it. You understand? And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do like the video, like it up, share it up, tell a friend and tell a friend, say, come down here, Flava, yeah, man. Yeah, man, and just remember, subscribe and like and share. God bless all the time. See you in the next video. I'm out.